Would you like to easily tame stress and overwhelm and help yourself to get unstuck and start noticing signs around you to get unstuck? I am sharing how to do it in this video. So whether you are trying to get unstuck and move forward in some area of your life or make positive changes in your life, or you're trying to just open up to signs and synchronicity around you, which I talk about in my book, The Universe is Talking to You, or if you're just trying to calm down some of the stress, overwhelm, and chaos around you, the best thing that you can do is to do what I call mini meditations throughout the day. So you've probably heard of the trillion benefits of meditation, whether it is, whether you're doing a 10-minute meditation, a 20-minute meditation, 40 minutes, etc. And I think all of that is fantastic. I practice that myself. But when it comes to moving forward, to trying to get unstuck in some area of your life and get more clarity and feel more calm and notice the signs that are coming to you, especially if you've been using prayers and praying to your collective or to specific angels, and whether and just to start noticing some of that, right? And just to start calming down and simmering down throughout the day. That morning meditation or that evening meditation is amazing, but what about throughout the day? How can we start interrupting that stress cycle? How can we start interrupting the chaos and taming some of that chaos and that overwhelm so that we can get back to the present moment throughout the day, so that we are noticing the signs that are coming because of the prayers that we've said, that we are noticing the signals of the universe that can help us get unstuck? How can we start doing that throughout the day? And that's where I believe mini meditations come in. So I tell people, if you're new to meditation, do mini meditations in the morning, the evening, and maybe 2 times during the day, or at least once during the day, so that you're interrupting the cycle. And by mini meditations, what I mean is 60 seconds to 3 minutes. That does not take that much time, right? We can all do it. We can set alarms on our phone. There's a mindfulness bell app that you can set to go off at different intervals throughout the day, and it's free. So how can we start incorporating that throughout our day, where we just are taming the chaos, we're returning back to the present moment, and we are noticing the things around us. We are allowing the universe to put thoughts in our head, our angels to answer the questions or bring us solutions, so that we can notice when they pop into our head and our head is not so cluttered and crazy. I have something called the Get Unstuck Toolkit, which you can get linked below, which includes a bunch of mini meditations that you can use throughout the day and a whole host of other tools to help you get unstuck, including prayers and a mini video course and so many things. But when it comes to the mini meditations, it's very simple. I just want you to stop whatever you're doing, and throughout the day, again, breaking that stress cycle. So many people say, but Tammy, I meditate in the morning or I meditate before. I understand that. But throughout the day, taking those 60 seconds to 3-minute breaks makes a big difference, and it doesn't take that much time. Nothing I teach takes that much time. Everything I try to keep simple and practical so that we will do them, right? So that I will do them. That's how I create tools so that I'll do it. And if I'll do it, then I figure, okay, other people might be able to do this as well. So taking that 60 seconds to 3 minutes, just stopping, closing your eyes, and recentering yourself. Repeating a mantra, repeating the word release, repeating peace, repeating let go, repeating all is well, I am safe, I am connected. Whatever feels good to you, just repeating that for 60 seconds to 3 minutes, bringing yourself back. If your thoughts drift off, no problem. Notice that your thoughts are drifting off. Bring yourself back to whatever mantra it is that you're doing. And then at the end of that, even if you just start off with 60 seconds, at the end of that, you're centered now. Now, all of a sudden, an idea to help you move forward on something or to find a solution about something can get through. all of a sudden you'll notice something else. You'll allow the universe to start helping you, and those messages that they're constantly sending to you. And when I say the universe, I'm talking about your angels, your guides, your loved ones who have passed on, and more, so that you can get unstuck, so that you can move forward, so that you can find a solution or an answer to whatever it is you're struggling with, so that you can de-stress. Now it's easier because you've simmered down all of the noise, all of the static and the chaos that is blocking you from being able to see these things and being able to feel calmer and feel better. And when you can calm down some of that chaos, everything looks brighter. Everything seems easier. You can then return back to whatever you're doing in a completely different state than you were when you stopped. Everybody has 60 seconds to 3 minutes. I promise you, start slow. Just do 60 seconds 3 times a day. Then maybe do 60 seconds 4 times a day. Or maybe do 2 minutes 3 times a day and build it up from there. Just try this. I promise you, you will start noticing more of the signs around you. Things will get through that will be able to help you move forward from wherever you might feel stuck right now. Again, you can check out that Get Unstuck toolkit that I put together that can help you in 8 major areas of your life that you feel stuck. And it's something that you can do over and over again for all the different areas. And part of that is these mini meditations. But start right now. 60 seconds. Repeat the word release. Repeat the word peace. Whatever feels good for you. Set the alarms. Get that Mindfulness Bell app and try it. And see if it makes a difference for you throughout your day. Again, even if you're an avid meditator and you meditate in the morning or you meditate at night or whatever it is that you're doing, add this in to break that stress cycle and that chaos cycle throughout the day, and you will see a difference. If you like this video, be sure to tag someone below who might need to watch it as well. And be sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not already so that you don't miss all of the cool videos that I try to put out to help you on your spiritual path every day. And I will see you here in another video.